Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a eSIM to your iPhone. And this is easy to do. So let's go up to Settings right here and select this. Scroll on down to Cellular. Then scroll on down, and we have the option to delete an eSIM right here. And under that, we can see Add eSIM. So we can choose Add eSIM. And it'll bring us to this page. Set up Cellular. You can transfer a phone number from a nearby iPhone or scan a QR code provided by your carrier. So we have these two options right here. So if you use QR code, all we have to do is scan the QR code. And it should give you an option with the camera. Just scan the code. And then we can go back and we have the option for transfer from nearby iPhone. Transfer from nearby iPhone. To transfer a phone number from another iPhone, make sure your other iPhone is passcode protected but unlocked nearby with Bluetooth turned on and running iOS 16 or later. So you can transfer that over. Hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.